Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your data and getting the phone ready. Backup settings and export any app data so you can undo changes if needed. This keeps you safe. Once done, install My Control Center or its latest APK and enable install from unknown sources only for this app. Make sure to disable battery optimization and enable auto start right away. These two permissions are why the app can run permanently in the background and show the control center reliably. Next, you give the app the permissions it needs to control the UI and stay active. Grant notification access so panels can mirror and control notifications, and allow overlay or draw over apps so the control center appears above other apps. Without this, it will be blocked. Then enable accessibility access, which permits gestures, shortcuts, and deeper interaction. If the app offers to be the default quick settings handler or lock screen modifier, accept it. This makes the control center behave like a permanent system feature. Finish by locking the app and verifying persistence. Pin or lock My Control Center in your recents view so the OS treats it as actively used. This prevents aggressive killers from closing it. Double-check battery optimization, auto start, and the 3 core permissions we granted earlier. Test the control center across apps and after a reboot. If it fails to stay active, clear cache and data, regrant permissions, and reinstall. This single troubleshooting step resolves most permission or corruption issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.